My favorite thing in a language is when they have a word that can't really be translated into any other language. Like a good example of that, right, is in Portuguese, there's this word saudades, right? It means kind of like a feeling of longing, kind of like a lack, but there's no exact English equivalent, and I think that's very beautiful. And a lot of people don't know this, but we actually have a word like that in American English. Can't be translated into any other language, and that is queef. Okay, some of you aren't familiar with the term. That's when a woman has some air or a gust of wind, or some Eastern cultures believe in an ancestor spirit come inside her, and then the way out it makes like a I can't make the right tone, okay? I don't have the proper musculature. I only have face lips. But it's a very important part of the sex act, right? Kind of lightens the mood a little bit. You know, everyone's all serious when they're having sex. Then the queef comes along, you know. It's like the rodeo clown of fucking. Yeah, like it's a nice little Bill Murray cameo to put a smile on your face. Not only that, but it's an onomatopoeia, right? It's like one of those Batman sounds, like bam, pow, queef. You know, October is actually National Queef Awareness Month. So I'm required by law to share with you guys the following historical fact. In 1898, the USS Maine, while docked outside Havana, was infiltrated by a female Spanish spy, known only as La Quifadora del Muerte. Her rampant queefing in the ship's engine room caused an explosion, which sunk the Maine, leading to the Spanish-American War and giving birth to the phrase, loose lips sink ships. Look at that. Look at that. That's right, we're laughing and learning tonight.